Driving or riding in a vehicle is one of the most hazardous activities in the industry. Implementing a journey management plan helps to reduce the hazards of occupational driving. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, from 2011 to 2020, more than 17,000 workers in the U.S. died in a work-related motor vehicle crash. Pre-trip planning. The company's journey management plan should be reviewed before any company-related driving.
A copy of the plan must be available at the workplace and in all company vehicles. Before driving to an unfamiliar location, print the driving directions and read them before driving. Do not read directions from a phone or any mobile device. A GPS device may be used, but printed directions should be kept as a backup.
The most common hazards of distracted driving include
using a cell phone, looking away from the road, eating or drinking, and changing radio stations or the playlist.
Distracted driving involves anything that can take the driver's attention away from the task of driving, no matter how briefly.
This includes things that take your eyes off the road, activities that take your hands off the wheel, or anything that takes your mind off driving. Do not text or talk on your phone or operate any mobile device.
Fatigue or drowsy driving. When driving long distances, sufficient breaks should be taken to prevent fatigue.
When driving alone and having trouble staying awake, pull off the road and get out of the vehicle for fresh air or take a power nap. If driving late at night, consider getting a hotel room and starting fresh the next day. If two licensed drivers are in the vehicle, take turns driving. Get plenty of rest before the beginning of your journey.
Communication and cell phones. Employees should communicate their travel plans with their supervisor or other workers who are not traveling.
This includes where they are going, when they should be getting there, and when they plan to return. Cell phones can be left on during a trip to alert the driver of any incoming calls. If it is deemed necessary to return the call immediately, the driver should find a safe place to park. Do not call or text while driving.
Night driving. Driving should be done during daylight hours rather than after dark whenever possible.
Reduce speed when driving at night. Be aware of the potential for wildlife on the road, especially when driving at dusk or dawn.
Inclement weather. Before leaving on a trip, ensure that weather conditions are safe for driving.
Vehicles should be adequate for driving in potential weather conditions. Have emergency supplies and a cell phone.
Driving or riding in a vehicle is one of the most hazardous activities in the industry. Do not get caught up in distracted driving, get plenty of rest, communicate your location to others, and be prepared for inclement weather. Always follow your company's policies and procedures.
For more information, visit us online at jjsafetyllc.com or call us at 866-627-3850.